Hey, welcome back to the Tom Auto channel. We're a couple days after Christmas. We're heading down to Wood River Engine in Gooding, Idaho, is where we have the 6-liter Ford Power Stroke engine being looked at the machine shop by Brad Phillips. And he wanted us to come down. He wants to go over a couple things. And as you can see out there, we've got plenty of snow. I think I missed a street, which I did because we're filming, so I'm going to take a right here and double back. Here we are, right in front of, there's the machine shop that we use for our flywheels, any of our valve jobs. It's been a while since I made a video. I talked about doing the 05 F-350. So we got the block down here last week, and we want to see what we need to do to continue this project. Stay tuned. Guys, this is Brad Phillips from Wood River Engine in Gooding, Idaho. Brad's been doing my engine work for 30-some years, and we've never had a problem with him. We're down here today. He brought the block down, and what do you have to show us? I know we needed to kind of show us the machinery.
It's sitting at home right now. So what we're waiting for is the pistons to be the final home.
Right.
So we bring the pistons or have more.
Oh, there we go.
So we'll get ready for the final home.
Great. So what did you find? I talked to you last week. You bored it a little bit, and you found out we need what size piston?
It had 10 thousandths taper in it, so we went 20.
20 over. Okay. So looks like some. What kind of machine you got here? What is that?
It's a homemade home.
I like it. I like it. So Brad, like I say, Brad's been doing our work. We've never had a problem. He's a hop, skip, and away where I work up there in Haley, and I live down this way, so I bring my parts down. He gets them done, reasonable, and great machinist. So we look forward to always working with Brad. We'll bring the heads down here. He's done some 5.2 diesel MPRs, the Isuzus, never had a problem. So we're very confident with his work, and we don't even ever ask price. So that's how good he is.
Good. Oil plugs. I got 6 oil plugs here.
Oh yeah, the little ones here, we got them. We always.
So you're gonna have to replace. You'll have to call Ford.
Yeah, we'll get a freeze plug set.
Yeah.
I always like to pull my galleys out, my plugs, and run a brush through, get all the stuff. When I did pull the motor apart, it did have some metal in it. We don't know where it came from. So once we get a block down this far, we pull the plugs. We'll be using a brush for all the galleys. We want this thing clean because we're going to be bulletproof in this thing. So we're going to start with a fresh block, and we're going to do it right. So we're excited to do that this coming year. And this is your big. This is what we're looking to get as a lathe for not this big, but something smaller. We've got some projects coming up. So there's my bed plate, looks like, off the 6-liter. Wow.
60 series Detroit engine kit cylinder head, and ISX head, and
Oh.
ISX head.
Now that's a Cummins, right?
Yep, these are the Cummins ones.
Yeah. Is that a brand new head? Is that what that is? A new.
That was the old head. That's the brand new head. They took it out, they ran it, and they had a bad injector in it. Drag it right there.
What did you recommend? I know you sometimes use parts, or do you have a recommendation on where I would get pistons, or do you have a specific place?
Yeah,
that
the
you
ones
like?
I would use were the ones I get are they'd be the Molly pistons.
The Molly's, okay.
Yeah, or the FP diesel, and that's
Okay.
That's one of the better ones.
Okay.
Or you go back to Ford, you get Ford.
Right. Well, I've been doing a lot of research on that, and there's so much stuff out there. With the coating, the ceramics, what are we doing? I guess the main thing is what are we doing with the vehicle?
Yep.
Yeah, we'll be,
Yeah.
you know, towing lightly or heavily.
Right, so yeah, you don't need.
We're not racing or putting a tuner in it, so.
Yeah, you probably don't have to worry about ceramic coating the pistons.
Right.
Right.
But anyway, hey, we wanted to come down, have a little tour of your shop, show
That's it.
the viewers
Hey, Tom.
what we got going, and who we trust in, and who does our machine work for the, you know, for the shop. And we'll be bringing the heads down. You have a look at them. I understand they're cracking and half cracked, so
Yeah, like 99%.
have a look at it. Hey guys, if you are looking at the channel, you got any comments, let us know down below about maybe where you're getting your parts, or who do you recommend, and leave a comment below. And just stay with us during this whole project. It's going to take a little while, but like Henry Ford said, to get ahead, you got to get started. Have a great day.